Hello, it's Damien from Financial Basics Foundation here. In this video, we're going to show you how to get the ESSI Money game set up for your students, as well as show you how to use the game's teacher tools. For ease of navigation, this video is broken into chapters. You can find these chapters as breaks with text descriptions in the playback line on the YouTube video, or as clickable links in the video description text. If you are looking for something specific, please check the chapters to jump directly to the section you want. The first step is to log in to the Financial Basics Foundation website. You can do this at www.financialbasics.org.au. If you don't already have an account, you can create one for free in under 2 minutes. The registration link is in the description, and all our resources are free for Australian educators. Next, you need to add a new ESSI Money class for your students. To do this, select the ESSI Money portal link from the Educator Hub menu, or from within your member portal once you are logged in. The ESSI Money portal is where you see your registered ESSI Money classes, as well as add new ones. To create a new class, complete each of the fields: class name, year level, subject, and game level. When putting in your class name, please make it something easy to identify, just in case you make a few over the course of the year. There are two different versions of ESSI Money, Standard and Plus. Standard is the base edition of the game. Plus works the same way, however it contains more challenging financial decisions and adds shares into the game. Each of the games takes around 2 to 3 hours of total playtime and simulates 6 months in the life of an 18-year-old that has moved out of home. This playtime doesn't all need to happen at once. Players can save and come back at any time. Before you click Add Class, double check the details you have entered. Once the class is made, its details cannot be changed or the class removed until the ESSI Money game database is wiped at the end of each school year. Once you click Add Class, your class will appear under the Registered ESSI Money Classes heading. There is no limit to how many classes you can register. Now that you have your class registered, you will see that there are 4 actions you can take for each class. The Game Link button provides the link you share with students so that they can play the ESSI Money game. You can also use this link to play the game yourself by creating a student account. Each ESSI Money game link allows up to 40 users to play 5 games each. Register a new game for extra classes, or if you have more than 40 students playing. To copy the game link and share it with your students, either right-click on the game link button and copy the URL, or left-click on the game link button and copy the URL from the URL field of your web browser. You will notice the game URL is far too long for students to enter manually, so we suggest providing the link to them digitally using the preferred tools and methods available at your school. Teacher Dashboard is the button that you use to see your class leaderboard, as well as to drill down into the data available for each of your students and your class as a whole. Please do not share this link with students, as it will let them see all the details of their classmates' gameplay, including their diary entries. Note that this leaderboard is not live and will only refresh periodically each day. Download Report allows you to download a spreadsheet containing a summary of your student gameplay, similar to what is shown on the class leaderboard. You can download this report at any point in time. Many schools run inter-class competitions and merge these reports to create their own inter-class leaderboard. Reset Password allows you to reset the password for students in your registered ESSI Money classes. To use it, first go to the required ESSI Money class and click the Reset Password button. Then, find the email address of the student that needs their password reset and click the Reset Password button again. Enter the new password for this student, then click on the Update Password button. The student's ESSI Money password will immediately be updated to the new password you entered. If you happen to select the wrong student by mistake, click Cancel. If you haven't played the game, or even if you have, check out the Player Guide, Hints, Tips and How to Play ESSI Money video for more information. You can find it, along with all our other videos, on the Financial Basics Foundation YouTube page. So, in closing, everything you need to play, share and manage the ESSI Money game for each of your classes can be found by logging into your Financial Basics Foundation Educator account and navigating to the ESSI Money portal. Remember, When making a student account to play the ESSI Money game, select a year of birth that would place you in the same age bracket as school-age students. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us or leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you are notified of future updates, and hit the like button if this video helped you out.